Welcome to Miner Match, where we match one very attractive prospective miner with the mining methods that he could choose from. Will he find love today? Let's find out.
Well, hi, my name's Matt. I'm a prospective miner, and I'm here today to hopefully be matched up with a method of cryptocurrency mining that suits me, suits my personality, and hopefully I can begin my journey. So, mining method number one. Tell me about yourself. Hi, I'm CPU, and I would say that I'm versatile. I'll do any algo. You name it, and I'll just do it. And if you set me up right, I can probably do two at once. Do you want to do that? Oh my God. Okay, mining method number two. Why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? Well, hello there. My name's GPU Mining. I'm just kind of a regular guy, I'm not sort of flashy like these other types, and well, I still like to have fun. I've been working down at the accounting firm for somewhat 19 years now, and one of these days it's gonna pay off. Not really making much now, but maybe one day you just stick to it hard enough, and I'm almost 60 years old now, and haven't really gotten anywhere. Kind of just you start a project at work, and one of these other guys comes in and takes credit for it. But I have faith that I'm gonna get there one day. Otherwise, I like to watch the game on TV. That's just me. I'm kind of a normal, boring guy that doesn't make any money. What? Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Mining method number three. What's your story? Get lost, pal. Me, I'm FPGA. I'm basically a better version of this guy. I'm complicated. No one knows how to use me. Everybody's scared of me. But I make money. I take credit for his ideas, and I make money. That is until ASIC takes it away from me. But hey, middle management's got its perks, right? I'm both confused and off-put, yet you're a highly viable option. Very strange. Mining method number four. Tell me about yourself. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, I'm ASIC. Oh, God. Can you keep your voice down? Why are you talking so loud? Sorry, I'm loud. It's really hot in here all of a sudden. I am. Yeah, that's it. I'm hot too. That's my deal, baby. Comes with the territory. But look, I'm the only one that makes money. I don't know why you'd mess with any of these other guys. I'm the one you want. Yo, FPGA, you got anything new coming out of GPU? I'm getting a little light here. No, I don't feel so good anymore. I feel slower and sluggish. Wait, where'd all my money go? Yoink, I'll take that. Who the hell are you? I'm you. New model, baby. It's been a few months. I'm the one making the profits now. Hey, yo, FPGA, when you get something, you send it to me now, okay? You looking good, CPU. What you got on you? You can look at me all you want. Now, fellas, I think there's plenty of room in the ecosystem for all of us to do our own part securing the blockchain and doing the right thing for these different projects, and the pie's big enough that we can all have a slice. This guy. Well, I may be just a simple mining method, but I know a few things, have been around for a while, and I don't know about you, ASIC, or you, FPGA, or I really don't know about you, CPU. You want to find out? But I think there's probably one thing we could all agree on. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, what's that? I'll agree to anything. I'm listening. Well, it's that you shouldn't choose DPIN. Ha, I'm DPIN. I think I'm gonna buy a laundromat instead.